Really into good shape, Coach Louie. Ngayon, nagsisimula na siya ng mga games. When he was last season, medyo nahirapan siya with his fitness. Now he can stay longer and he can play longer. And now he can contribute as well. CJ Cancino. Tatapusan, handoff to Imperial, squeezing himself through traffic and laying it in for the 2 points.
Oo, and importante yung physicality nandun na eh. Pero yung decision making, I think, pwede pang mag-improve.
Yeah, and Hubert Cani rattles the turnaround shot in. Baba kay Katapusan, poor pass. Intercepted by Negros. Renz Palma loose. This is the handle and recovers and scores.
Oo, alam mo yung open court basketball.
8-4, Cani thought about it. Cruz puts the ball in the deck, gets into the lane. Bank shot is good.
Continues to play well. Itong si Jeremy Cruz, second.
Go inside to Diaz, and he exploits the mismatch. No go. Rodriguez with the rebound. Mark Nonoy.
Yeah, it's just so fast.
Wow. He was in there in the blink of an eye. Mark Nonoy.
See the acceleration.
Oh. There's Jeremy Cruz. Comia. Hindi nakakapasok yung bola. And that time, the kick out is good. It's a good way to break this at the end of the first quarter. This end of the first quarter score is brought to you by GameX. The official league is a Jeha Velosa for Iloilo. Nonoy with a turnaround shot. That's good. 5 points para kay Mark Nonoy. Ano siya ma-maximize? Will you maximize him as a point guard or a two guard? Kasi medyo nakakalito din kay Mark as Jeremy Cruz knocks down the 3.
And this Adelph will help him moving forward kasi open court, talagang wala nang problema to si Mark eh. Pero yung pasensya, yung experience eh, like that guy.
Yeah. Oh, what a drive gonna kay Renz Palma. Julingo puts it in for 2.
Oh, you just mentioned Adelph. On point. Inserted.
Oh. Cruz. Yes.
Yeah, third three-pointer already in this game for
Sweep the other island.
pero
Yung isla namin. Kaya lumaban kayo.
this guy.
Si Jeremy Cruz lumalaban talaga.
Hindi papayag talaga si Jeremy Cruz.
Capascio puts it in.
Yeah, 4 points off the bench.
Now Retrata uses. Oh! Virgulingo, spark off the bench.
Talking about quick hands, Adelph.
Oh, yan na oh.
Ramos, second season already.
Oh. Bricks, nice find to Capobres.
So was able to develop patience already.
Ramos on the move. Ramos spins. Nice fake and Ramos. You know what I like about him? Inuna niya muna yung kakampi niya. Parang yun yung pakumpiyansa niya eh, yung kakampi niya. Yung pagpasa niya sa kakampi niya.
And scoring in this quarter, 19 points already for Iloilo, for Negros. Ito yung masarap eh. If you're Coach Bonnie right now, parang tama lahat yung hinuhugot mong mga players eh.
Yep. Oh, Gulingo knocks it down from way out. 7 points off the bench. Renz Palma. The kick out to Ramos. That's a 3 and it's good.
What a second quarter.
In a lot of things. Secret daw muna kung sino. Sa Delph, Coach Louie.
Maraming salamat, Mika. Abangan na lang namin yan. Ang report, eventually, lalabas din online yan. Game as an MPBL player, Rodriguez misfires. He'll try again. Clint attacks and scores. To Palma. Jumper. No good. Una, put back. Yes.
Yeah, second put back.
Steal by Capobres. Alvin, layup, yes. And this all changed. Abelosa inside. Doliguez misses the gimme. And CJ Katapusan puts it in for two. Abelosa quickly to Imperial. Shaq. No. Isa pa. Yes. Break. This halftime score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first
Fast break nitong Negros. Especially when Renz Palma is there.
Cancino on the drive. That time it took him. John Ray Villanueva ng Paranaque. That's a foul and a bucket.
Yeah, 6 points kaya to start itong para sa third quarter para kay CJ Cancino.
Siya yung nagbabantay ngayon kay CJ Cancino. Shaq Imperial. Three-pointer. Yes! And here comes Iloilo. Only down by 11 as Shaq Imperial. In college, here CJ attacks. Yes! That's a simple move. Actually, Coach, kung titingnan mo, it boiled down to a little bit of, individual plays before. No? Nung nabibit na yung man dun in the first half. Giolingo able to cross half court. Comia will fly and will finish.
You give him that space and yung buwelo ni Jeff na ganun.
Like Cancino steal. Imperial has it. Shaq, yes! And the bucket and the foul.
Yeah, touchdown pass there coming from Mark Nonoy.
They've been missing a lot of shots. And make a ball and talk about putting out the fire. Hubert Cani, pamatay sunog ang tres na yon. As we bring you this end of the third quarter score by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first.
Ang mabigat, nakatira sila ng malapit, na-foul sila, pero hindi nila naman na-shoot din yung kanilang free throws.
Now Mark Nonoy goes to work. Clock Jeff.
Great find again.
To the corner, Longa, no good. Comia with the offensive rebound, and he puts it in for two.
And again, Jeff Comia working.
Comia, Cruz, and Atabay. Here's Mark Atabay. Nagcut si Comia, left-handed scoop. The bang and the bucket para dito kay Jeff Comia.
Alam mo, working already.
Capascio. Couple of fakes. Bank shot is good.
Open do sa post-up, pero itong si CJ decided to take it from beyond the arc instead.
Nonoy. Jumper. Yes. 12 points para kay Mark Nonoy. Early steal para dito kay Capascio. The fadeaway is good. Babasa 11 ang lamang ng ng Negros. Imperial to Doliguez. No.
Good.
Tip in. Yes. Galing kay Gwen Capascio. 10 points in the ball game.
And alam naman natin na both Jeremy Cruz, meron ng nabuong partnership dito kasi both players came from the University of the East. Actually, the guards, halos puro mga offensive players.
Cruz.
Oh, that's big. Again, first three in this half came in. Palma talagang nag-step up itong si Jeff Comia.
Imperial layup is good. Lead is back to 7.
Team right now.
Yep. And Capascio makes the bucket, and Negros will dribble this one out. And it's Negros winning the Western Visayas Derby. 19 points up at halftime and ending the ball game with a 6-point win. Best player of the game is brought to you by Buenas, and when Iloilo threatened, this guy stepped up big time, Jeff Comia.
Talagang siya yung nag-take over, especially when they cut that lead, came from a double digit to single digit. It was Jeff Comia kinuha niya na yung bola, then did it for Negros.